مجھے جلدی ہے. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. ہمیں نکلنا ہوگا. We have to leave. We have to leave. یہ بہت مشکل ہے. This is difficult. This is difficult. میں کوشش کر رہا ہوں. I am trying. I am trying. آپ سے مل کر خوشی ہوئی. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. پھر ملتے ہیں. See you again. See you again. مجھے یاد نہیں. I don't remember. I don't remember. مجھے سوچنے دیں. مجھے سوچنے دیں. Let me think. Let me think. آپ کہاں رہتے ہیں؟ Where do you live? Where do you live? میں لاہور میں رہتا ہوں. I live in Lahore. I live in Lahore. کیا آپ فری ہیں؟ Are you free? Are you free? نہیں میں مصروف ہوں. No, I am busy. No, I am busy. مجھے یہ سمجھ آ گئی. I understand this. I understand this. یہ آسان تھا. It was easy. It was easy. آپ دیر سے آئے ہیں. You are late. You are late. ٹریفک بہت تھا. There was a lot of traffic. There was a lot of traffic. میں انتظار کر رہا تھا. I was waiting. I was waiting. آپ نے دیر کر دی. You took too long. You took too long. مجھے یہ چاہیے. I need this. I need this. یہ میرے لیے ٹھیک ہے. This is fine for me. This is fine for me. آپ سن رہے ہیں. Are you listening? Are you listening? جی میں سن رہا ہوں. Yes, I am listening. Yes, I am listening. یہ کافی ہے. This is enough. This is enough. مزید کی ضرورت نہیں. No need for more. No need for more. مجھے ابھی آرام کرنا ہے. I need to rest now. I need to rest now. میں بہت تھک گیا ہوں. I am very tired. I am very tired. آپ نے مجھے کیوں نہیں بتایا؟ Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? مجھے پتہ نہیں تھا. I didn't know. I didn't know. مجھے یہ سن کر افسوس ہوا. I am sorry to hear this. I am sorry to hear this. یہ واقعی برا ہے. That's really bad. That's really bad. میں گھر جا چکا ہوں. I have gone home. I have gone home. میں یہ کر سکتا ہوں. I can do it. I can do it. آپ ابھی کیا کر رہے تھے؟ What were you doing just now? What were you doing just now? میں آرام کر رہا تھا. I was resting. I was resting. مجھے یہ بات سمجھ آ گئی ہے. I have understand this thing. I have understand this thing. اب کوئی مسئلہ نہیں. Now there is no problem. Now there is no problem. آپ کب سے یہاں ہیں؟ How long have you been here? How long have you been here? میں کافی دیر سے یہاں ہوں. I have been here for a while. I have been here for a while. مجھے یہ بہت پسند آیا. I really liked this. I really liked this. یہ بہترین تھا. It was excellent. It was excellent. آپ نے یہ کب شروع کیا؟ When did you start this? When did you start this? میں نے آج شروع کیا. I started today. I started today. مجھے یہ نہیں کرنا. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. یہ میرے لیے مشکل ہے. This is difficult for me. This is difficult for me. آپ کہاں سے آ رہے ہیں؟ Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? میں آفس سے آ رہا ہوں. I am coming from the office. I am coming from the office. مجھے یہ بات ٹھیک نہیں لگی. I didn't like this point. I didn't like this point. آپ کیا کہنا چاہتے ہیں؟ What do you want to say? What do you want to say? میں صرف یہ کہنا چاہتا ہوں. I just want to say this. I just want to say this. مجھے ابھی جانا ہوگا. I have to go now. I have to go now. بعد میں بات کروں گا. I will talk later. I will talk later. میں سوچ رہا ہوں. I am thinking. I am thinking. مجھے یہ یاد نہیں رہا. I forgot this. I forgot this. مجھے معاف کریں. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. آپ کس کے ساتھ آئے ہیں؟ Who did you come with? Who did you come with? میں اپنے بھائی کے ساتھ آیا ہوں. I came with my brother. I came with my brother. مجھے یہ کام مکمل کرنا ہے. I have to complete this work. I have to complete this work. میں ابھی شروع کرتا ہوں. I will start now. I will start now. آپ نے یہ کیسے کیا؟ How did you do this? How did you do this? میں نے خود کیا. I did it myself. I did it myself. مجھے یہ موقع چاہیے. I need this opportunity. I need this opportunity. یہ میرے لیے اہم ہے. This is important for me. This is important for me. آپ کہاں جا رہے تھے؟ Where were you going? Where were you going? میں بازار جا رہا تھا. I was going to the market. I was going to the market. مجھے یہ بات سمجھ نہیں آئی. I didn't understand this point. I didn't understand this point. آپ وضاحت کر دیں. Please clarify. Please clarify. آپ کب تک آئیں گے؟ How long will you take to come? How long will you take to come? How long will you take to come? میں جلد آ جاؤں گا. I will come soon. I will come soon. مجھے یہ کام پسند نہیں آیا. I didn't like this work. I didn't like this work. آپ کیا ڈھونڈ رہے تھے؟ What were you looking for? What were you looking for? میں اپنا فون ڈھونڈ رہا تھا. I was looking for my phone. I was looking for my phone. مجھے یہ سن کر خوشی ہوئی. I was happy to hear this. I was happy to hear this. یہ اچھی خبر تھی. It was good news. It was good news. آپ کیوں دیر سے آئے؟ Why did you come late? Why did you come late? آج کی ویڈیو میں بس اتنا ہی. مزید ویڈیوز کے لیے چینل کو لائک کریں، سبسکرائب کریں اور بیل آئیکن ضرور دبائیں تاکہ مزید ویڈیوز بھی آپ تک پہنچیں.